The idea is quite simple. Whenever we take something from nature, we give something back. That's it. But that's just an idea, a principle. To transfer this to the real world and to make it meaningful, we need to do more, much more. And our Ardo Ardui site is leading the way. At Ardo, we preserve nature's precious gifts, using natural resources such as raw materials, water and energy in the most sustainable way. Creating a circular economy is one of the key objectives in our production process. Locally grown vegetables, herbs and fruit are freshly frozen at our production plants. Before going to the end customer, we store them at a temperature of -21°C in our cold stores. When producing cold, residual heat is also inevitably created. To avoid wasting this heat, we capture it. We use it to make hot cleaning water. This recuperated heat is used to transform our offices into a nice and warm workplace when it's cold outside. And when it's hot, we use recycled coal from our cold store to keep our colleagues cool. In our biomethanization plant, we turn vegetable residues into biogas. The biogas powers generators that transform the gas into green energy. Green electricity is used to freeze and store our vegetables. Green steam is used for steam peeling and blanching. Up to 40% of the energy needs of the Ardoi plant are covered this way. In addition, the byproducts of the biomethanization process are full of nutrients, which are used to fertilize the farmer's fields to grow the next crop. During each production step, we try to minimize our consumption of water and maximize the reuse of water. Water that is used for processing the vegetables is collected and purified in our biological wastewater treatment plant. The purified water is used a second time for washing the vegetables coming from the fields. The remaining water is stored in a huge 150 million litre reservoir. Through an irrigation network, local growers can use this water to irrigate the crops. And that's how we close the loop. That's how we preserve nature's gifts.